Hello, my name is Eric Beard and welcome to Play Strong Athletics. Today we're going to go over an exercise that can be great to loosen up your low back. Start out with your feet on the wall, the knees even with the ankles. Take your ball, gently hold that between the knees. Now you're going to take the low back and press the low back into the floor by tilting the pelvis. Tilting the pelvis. Both heels will stay in contact with the wall, but gently pull down with them. Might feel a little bit of work in the back of the hamstrings. So keep this tilt, keep the heels pulled down like you've got something in the bottom of your sneaker and you're trying to scrape it off, but the foot stays still. Now you're going to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in through the nose, expand here, and out through the mouth, contract here. In through the nose, expand through the bottom of the ribs, out through the mouth, expand there. Do that anywhere 10 to 15 times, 1 or 2 sets. This exercise is sometimes called the reset exercise. It's great if you have general tension in the low back or if you've been stuck for a car in a while. Now, if you have any low back injuries or something that this position might irritate, check with your doctor or physical therapist. But for general low back tightness, I've had great results with it. And all you need is a toy ball and the wall. Try this for 1 or 2 sets, 10 to 15 breaths. Questions or comments, go ahead and place them below. My name is Eric Beard, and thanks for watching here at Play Strong Athletics.